I'm only gonna count to one.
Oh, don't you wish? Shut up.
Hey,
Another shrimp bites the dust. First we're gonna break your arm, then we're gonna break your ugly little face. Sit down, little crud. It's monkey time! Watch and learn, kitty.
Let me go!
How does that sand taste? I
Put me down, you jerk!
Time to kick your ass.
I don't think so.
Get off me, man! Get him! Got you! You're dead! You little puke! Let us go, or you're dead, you little creep.
Can't do the time, don't do the crime. I'm Detective Butler, and you two zit bombs are under arrest.
Devin, come on. Yeah, come on, man.
Be quiet. Hey, Deputy Sanchez, does this happen to be yours? Thanks. That is so cool. Remember, Katie, the law is on your side. Oh, no. Get up here. Listen up. I need a diversion. We could do that? Yeah. Shane, go close the gate. Yes, sir. The rest of you split.
Come on, talk to Devin.
He gotcha.
Mom!
These are the punks that smashed the car.
Oh, no.
Morning, boys.
Oh.
How you feel?